The battle lines have been drawn to win the votes of South Coast commuters ahead of next year's state election. Labor says it will review the current train timetable to ease parking congestion at hub stations like Thirroul. The Liberal Party says the system works just fine.
It's been 1 year since the government introduced its new train timetable, but for Thirroul residents, it's the same old story.
Especially with the stroller and just with the train station and all the commuters, it's very limited parking for residents. Car
parks at hub stations like Thirroul are overflowing, while car parks at stations not on the express service remain empty.
In the early morning, it's very, very difficult to get a seat.
Labor has committed to reviewing the timetable if returned to government next year.
We think it's worth a very close look to see whether it can't be improved.
Ramping up pressure 5 months out from the election, a Labor petition now has over 5,000 signatures calling for the review.
That's not good enough for a population who relies so heavily on the use of trains.
The Liberal Party has also fired its first shot in the transport battle. According to a survey, 90% of commuters on the South Coast line are happy with the service.
When Labor's doing its review, perhaps it'd like to look at the 125 additional express services that we've delivered in this term of office.
The full car park is also affecting local shop owners. They've now banded together to formally ask Council to now enforce a 2-hour parking limit here on Lawrence Hargrave Drive.
Look, it would just allow more flow through the main area. It would probably bring us more customers as well.
The Shadow Minister for Transport has also flagged continuing Liberal Party viability studies into the Malden-Dumbarton freight rail link. But she stopped short of committing to build the much-needed lift at Unanderra train station.
What I can guarantee, though, is that we would look at it seriously.
Rob Morrison, Win News.